Can you hear me now?
That's better, Les. We can hear you.
Yeah. Sorry about that. What the... Get out. Get over there. Get in your bed now. Yeah.
With that background on there, Les, it looks like you're talking to the floor, not the dog.
Yeah, I've moved a few cables around and stuff like that. So we're ready to go. Let's get into this and see what is happening. I'll just set all the other stuff up as well. And then we'll get ready to go. Thank you. Two-factor authentication. Okay, we're in there. Let's get Hourglass open and I'll share my screen and we'll be ready to go. Thanks everybody for joining us a little bit later than planned. I've just got 10:15 as well. Probably missed a couple on there. So we've got USD/JPY at 69, GBPJPY is at 70, and AUD/USD is at 60. So we'll look at GBPJPY for now. It'll be the GBPJPY and USD/JPY I'm going to look at this morning while we're on here. And let's see what we can pick up on this. Right, we have got 12 people on. Vicky's on, Demo, Debbie, Sarah, Jim, Mary, Babs, Ken, Lily, Sean, Diane. All right, welcome everybody. Welcome. Thanks for joining us. I do appreciate it. Okay, where am I at? Come on, let's get your screen shared. Compose yourself. And let's see what's happening. I'm just going to sort this out a little bit. Okay, so the dollar is pointing down at the minute. So that would mean USD/JPY is going down. GBP/JPY seems to follow suit. Well, let's have a look and see what's happening. A few lines on there. Looks like Matty or Taylor's left them on. Yeah. GBP/JPY. Okay, looks good. GBP/JPY, right. 750 is 750 is the mark. Just bang that on there. Okay, so we've got a quarter point at 750. I'll just tidy that up a bit. Don't worry, you'll be flying around here in no time. Why is that defaulted there? I thought I sorted all that out. Okay, 750. Right, we've got a little tiny bit of resistance support at 770. 4. Okay, this makes its way down. We're just going to wait for a call on this next candle. Just to explain the point system here, we're looking at GBPJPY. We're on a 5-minute chart. I am waiting for a call arrow on the next candle, which is in about just over a minute's time. I'm expecting a reaction of this area here where I've drawn a line on there. It could drop a little bit further. I could drop a little bit further, but I am going to take a call on this. It could go down to 736 in the short term, but I do believe we are going to get a bounce off this area here. So when I get a call on this, I will take it. Like I say, it might drop a little bit further. Price wise, 765, so it's spot on. We've got a difference of about 7 on here. We could come down to this green line. We am going to take a call on this. I'm expecting a call on this next candle. We've got our call. Didn't hit the button there. Oh, look at that go. I didn't have my thing set up there. Right. Take it now. I've took that 758. Actually, there might be some news here. Sure, I'm on a little bit there. Let's check the news. 712 have entered there as well.
I think there's red news at 10 o'clock on the GPB, Les.
Well, thanks for letting us know, Damon. I appreciate that.
I forgot, mate. I just remembered.
It's just the Bank of England, the governor speaking. He'll just be talking a lot of rubbish, saying that Bitcoin.
Don't they always?
Saying that Bitcoin doesn't exist and it's cryptocurrencies have got no intrinsic value and stuff like that. Yeah, this is tanking this. So if you haven't took it, don't take it. I don't know why this is dropping.
And we just let it go, yeah, not roll it over.
No. I'm just gonna. We might get a reaction off this. I'm in the trade now, so I'm going to manage it while I'm in it. I am going to roll it over. So if you're in it, roll it over. If it's fast, it generally doesn't last. But I'm surprised it's gone all the way through there. It looks like this might want to. I'm just trying to work out where it's going to go. I can't believe it's dropped that far. That was a big drop. So it should work its way back up eventually, but whether we can wait that long.
No.
576. That is far too. Look at that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll both of these over for me because I am in the trade. That's just my what I am doing. Right? I do believe this is going to come back up. But I believe a lot of things. Surprised that's gone all the way down there. Like that was this big drop. That it should work its way back up now. Yeah, so this should come back up to 750 low 761. It's going to come back up to this area here. So where I've entered this trade, I might end up losing the first one. Hopefully I'll get the second one. We will get a call on the next candle. I'll tell you that now. 1023. We will get a call on the next candle. I'm surprised that's come all the way down there. There is some resistance support down there. So down here where it came to. Make that red now. It's working its way back up now. I don't think this I don't understand why it's dropped there. Unless there's something happened somewhere. Oh yeah, just had GBP news. Lovely. Yes, that's great. Yeah, thanks for letting me know. Wait that into the trade, and then oh, by the way, GBP news. But where it stopped. Why is it stopped there? Go on, get up. I think I'll roll this over again for a second time. I didn't have any order size. I had it on 1 minute, so I was a bit flustered there with my sound and stuff like that not working. 758. I will roll it. 25, 24. Although it does look as though it's going to work its way up. Will I get it there by 26.11? That is the case. I will roll that top one. So I've rolled my first entry. I don't know why it's dropped there. I'm anticipating this going all the way up to 818. 818. We really are. $712. That should stay above there. We've got another call now. Be great if I could have got in down there, wouldn't it? 635. Wow. Just stuck at 730. Yeah, go on. Needs to go up and touch 760. Come on, get up there. Stop messing about. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Could have rolled that one as well, I suppose. Stop that. Stop it. Good. 743 in the short term. Go on, push up. 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 We'll clear that second entry. So the expiry on this next one's 32, so we might get a good toe up on this on the 1030 candle. 1030 candle. We might get a good little push off that. I won't roll this over again. $774 should go up to 774. Okay, let's have a look at what's the other one? USD JPY, wasn't it? Let's see what's happening with that. Like look at this at all, USD JPY. Messing about around this 200 EMA. $211. Oh yeah, we've still got 4 minutes on that. It's just pushing up. So that should go up, shouldn't it? All right, USD GPY. It's hovering around this, right on this 750 area where the 200 EMA is. The only thing I don't like about it is it's going right through the Bollinger Band there. Let's come all the way back down to 675. I'm just going to jump back to GBPJPY because I might take another call on this. GBPJPY, we've got a call now. It's been down to 668. Yeah, I'm going to take a call on this again. Got lots of bullish on there. 668. I've took another call there. 675 on GBPJPY. 700. This is next port of call.
My trial and error take 10 or 15 years of making, finding out, maybe not. But what I learned to do is find someone who's getting the result I want, study what they're doing.
Thanks, Adrian. So yeah, I took another one there. 675. Been up to 705. Drops below, I'll roll that one. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be one of these days, doesn't it? Come on, get back up there. Get back up there. And we'll start again. On off you go. So I've rolled that first entry over what I took right at the start, 758, rolled it over twice. Looks like that's not going to make it. Now 32.11 is the expiry. We've only got about 30 seconds left on that, so a little bit less. Won the second entry. Should go up for this one. We'll have won 32.12's expiry. So I'm going to lose one and win one yet. There we go. So I'm back in the game, 2-1. Let's have a little bit, look at this. Get the chat up here. Yeah, 2-1 for me. Yeah, I lost the first entry. Alan's cleared. Debbie lost the first one, took the lower one, yeah. 2-1, yeah. 2-1 so far. 1-1 for Demo, 1-1 for Jim. Yeah, we're back in the game. Look at that shoot up there now. Took another one on that. Well, this is going to work its way back up here. What we're going to do is we'll wait for the reaction up at around 750. Wait for the reaction up at around 750 and see if we get a put on the next candle. So I'd like to see a put on the 35 candle. That's what I'm hoping. And for it to work its way back down to around about 694. So 700 or below. Back down to this area here. And this area here on the broker. we can get it to come back down there, and we get a call on the 40 candle. That's what I want to see happen. I think this is going to mitigate. So I'll explain what I'm looking at here. I'm going to drop down to the 1 minute. And on this 1 minute, I'm going to zoom in here, right? And what I'm hoping is going to happen is that this candle here, what I'm looking at here, the wick on that candle, I hover over it here, the high was 687. All right, so on here, I'm going to draw that line on there. I'm going to make it blue. And I'm expecting it to touch off that and then go up and we get a call. Okay. And then I want it to work its way back up. In the short term, I think it's going to come up to here. I'll make that one red. Longer term, here. Okay. That's what I think is going to happen. So it has dropped below that, and we have got a put, but it has gone below it, which I wasn't expecting. There's a little bit there. Is it going to go all the way back down to there? Struck that one on there. Wow. Okay. 1045. There's a little bit there. 584. So it's just hit a little pocket of support there now. At 623. Down here. It's just bounced off a little bit of support there. See this line here. That's that line there. If it comes back down into this area, I will take a call. Currency strength has switched against us slightly. Still got the B for the buy. This is coming down into the oversold area, both of them. So we want to see this cross back up. I have got hidden bullish, bullish, hidden bullish all the way along here. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 5-minute chart. All the way along, we have got let's just drop slightly there back down. We've definitely got divergence here. Definitely. So it's just sticking on that area now. If we get in a 1040, 1045, it could reverse as well. It could just hang around a little bit lower down there. So we're just talking about these every 15 minutes now. No, I don't 1045, I'd rather take the 1050. But if we do get the call here, I might take it, but it could push down to this area here. 578. We've got a few lines marked there, just stalling out here. We've got about 90 seconds to go. Yeah, I'm going to take another call on this. Got a bit of distribution going on here. $760 ultimately, which is up about here. So let's just see how this pans out. I don't know what it can be seeing. Governor Bailey. Or she, I don't know. We're going to get calls, yeah. We're in the Bollinger Band extreme. We're on support. We get a call, that's 3 points. B for a buy. Country strength is against us. We'll use the latest update on country heat wave. See what that says. Yeah, it's still a bit stronger than the Japanese yen. I think we've had that on the Queen's speech. I'm not quite sure that would have. So there's our call there. What we've got here. 630 or below. This is still pushing down. So we've got an option to take a call now or wait for the next call at 10:45. That would have been a great entry there, 623. 623 would have been a great entry. Let's see if we can get that again. Oh, I hate it when it does that. Look at that go up, man. Yeah, I tell you what. Look at that go up. I hope somebody got in on that. Look at that fly up there. We might get a little spike down if we do. I'm taking it. $639. We could get a spike down. The train has left the station by the looks of it.
The train left the station at full throttle. There's on that one.
Unbelievable. Look at the setup on it, man. Look at that. I spent too much time talking about it. That's gone, that one. That is gone. Let's have a look at USD GBPJPY. See if we can get something off that. See if it's moved on a bit for us. Okay. I'm inclined to take puts on this, by the way. Going down. Yeah, missed that one. USD GBPJPY. Let's have a look. Ooh. Been bouncing off 762. No, we've got a difference of 7. Why have we not got no? Oh, that's, we'll have to leave those lines on. When I remove it, it takes the arrow off. It's a call then, it's dropping. That was definitely a put that. I want to see this pull back up to 760. This area up here. And I'll take a put on this. Destination 734. It's got to get through some support at the bottom there, around about the 740. It's in this little range here now, along here and along here. So it's a little bit tight at the minute. It's consolidating. I don't fancy it. I don't fancy it. I don't like it. What a GBPJPY. The USD still stuck on 60. I'm loath to take them euro ones. Don't really want to look at them. Okay, so that's gone back up there. GBPJPY. $10.45. Just going to do that a little reversal. And get us back down to 684. Could go to 637. $639. Yeah, we need to wait this. We need to wait for this to turn. Well done, Ken. Well done, mate. This is going to go up to 750. Currency strength switched again. They're about 50-50 actually. It's stuck on a line of resistance at the minute here. Where's that now? Let's bust through it now. Long term, I can see this going up to when I say long term, I just mean in the next hour or so. Let's have a look. You know, I think this is a little bit of redistribution going on here. Better taking a put on this actually on the way down off the 750 mark. So we've got that 11 o'clock. Okay, we've got a couple of minutes just to this next candle. I just want to see what happens. I'm just going to hang on. It's hitting the 750 area now, which is a quarter point. It's strong resistance there. There is a little bit above it where it could go to about 760, but we might be able to get a put on this, but I need to see it push up a little bit higher to take out a little bit of imbalance up here. Okay, which is just above the 750 line. All right, so that's what I'm looking at. 750. Round about there. That's what I'm looking at. There's a little bit there, or it might want to nibble at. And this is pushing up. And we could see a reversal on this at 11 o'clock. So look at the broker there, 753, 755, it's touched. And that is the little bit there. 761, there's a little bit there. Setting itself up now. Setting itself up now. As this pushes up. Here, 1 8, I said before. 5 seconds before, there's the drop. There's the put. 733, 736. Currency strength is against us slightly. Okay, this is going to be a little bit of a risk. I want to get it at 750. I'm in at 747 for a put. This is a high risk one, but we have got some bearish on this now, just a little bit. $762, I didn't see that would go up. Let's touch 766 on there. $52.26, so 45, 51.15 for this. 51.40, 51.30. This would work its way back down to 714. Will I roll it? Give it another 3 minutes to see what happens. It's 55. Overroll it again. It's going to take us past 10. The hour, sorry, 11 o'clock. Is it just bouncing off that quarter point now? Well, it's 639, 639 for this to come back to. Well done, guys. Everybody who's cleared that. Well done, Jim. Well done, Debbie. A minute and a half. That's going to be 54. Probably should have rolled that there just to take it past the hour. If it pops above it, I will. It's right on that line of support. That's why it's hanging around there. Look what there is. Go on, get on there. You might as well go now then. Go on, all the way down. I'll buy another 6 minutes and take me past the hour just to be safe. It's a chance. It's a chance. I probably could have won it without rolling over, but I am expecting this to drop at 11 o'clock. So I'm going to be in it for another few minutes now. 6 minutes I've got left on this. It's had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 goes at this. Well done, everybody. Well done, Andy. Well done, Mary. We've now got another put on this. Well done, Danny. Hey, Danny, them losing ones you only get on my session. Just thought I'd point that out to you. Here we go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. This is it. Come on. 639 is the target. I should tank.
There she goes.
Might run into a little bit of traffic on the way down here. It's 639. I do believe it's going to go to. Come on. Ouch. Go on. Yeah, I've got a few minutes now. So if everybody's done and dusted, yeah, that's it. No more anybody. If you're done, if you've hit your targets, stop now. Don't do any more trading. I'm not taking any more after this. So if you want to go, you can. You're quite welcome to leave. It's not a problem. I don't mind. You don't have to stay. But I'll just keep this on till it expires at 1 minute and 26 past 10. But yeah, if you want to go, just go. You don't have to hang around. Okay, Debbie, no problem. Should have mitigated
Come
all that.
on,
Out.
get down.
Should have mitigated all that out of there by now.
Come on, get down. Don't go up, go down.
639 high. Yeah, 639 it should go to. It's just it's a really we've got right in on that quarter point, so it's getting quite attached to it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's had 9 goes at it.
Come on, stay down. Stay down. That's it. No, stay down.
You know, you can see it wants to go down, don't you?
Yeah,
It wants
just
to.
testing you.
It wants to go down. It wants to go down.
Come on.
It's making a sweat.
We should all wear blood pressure monitors.
Gonna be high. It's gonna be high there. I don't like it going up there. It needs to be back down here.
I know. I
724.
think they'll all
39.
explode.
There's nothing up there for it.
No,
There's
I
nothing
don't
up.
like
There's
it up
nothing.
there.
There's nothing up there.
No, don't
No
like it
reason-
up there. Come
It's
on.
got no reason to go up there. It's just the broker. Look at there's Batman coming. See, this is Batman
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
There's Batman.
I always see things in the shapes and
There's Batman there. See, there's his little bat ears there.
come on, Robin. Come on, Robin.
It's got a little bit of support to get through where it's bouncing, but it's not like there's a bit there where at about 720 down here. Yeah, we've only got a few seconds till the hour. Hopefully it'll
Stay down.
bomb. Yeah, it's just messing with us. Well done, Jim. 3-1. Yeah, bit of status quo. Down, down, deeper and down.
That's
Come
the
on,
one.
Keep singing to it.
There we go. It's at the hour. Come on, drop, 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 drop. Drop, drop, drop. $126. So I've still got a minute to go. No,
Oh,
that's
there
it.
you go.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Once it gets past 6, oh, there it's gone there now. This should go to 639. Should go down to 639 now. I'm just liking it, the traffic.
Hmm.
It wants to go the way it's going to go, but it just runs into traffic every now and then.
Yeah. Traffic jam.
Yeah, there we go. I have to wait for it a bit, but there we go. All right, guys, that's 3-1 today. 3-1, I think. Yeah, 3-1 for today. That'll do me. I'm happy with that.
Yeah. Thanks, Les.
All GBPJPY. I'll just mark that down. 1-3 lost 1. GBPJPY times 4. All right, guys, thanks very much for joining us. And what day is it today? Wednesday?
All day.
I'll be back tonight at around about 7 o'clock, just after 7, for another session on the New York session. Okay, so I'll see you then. Have a great day, everybody. Like I say, if you're going to continue to trade, just do it on demo if you've hit your target. Just be careful. Check the news like I didn't. But remember to check the news. If you're going to continue to trade, we've got some red flag US dollar news there this afternoon, so be very, very careful around that this afternoon. Wait till it's done and dusted. 2 o'clock is always a good time to trade. There's a reason why I do it at 2, because generally all the US dollar news is generally around about 1:30, and then it's generally at 3 p.m. as well at UK time. So if you can do it between 2 and 3, or wait till the 3 o'clock news is done, you can generally get some good moves after 3 as well. So generally 2 and 4 is a good time to trade as well. So just stick to those times. So 10 and 11 in the morning, 2 till 4 in the afternoon, and 7 till 8 at night. You might have different other times to trade, but those are generally the 3 times during the day what I trade at. Okay. Catch us all later.
See you, Les.
Don't forget to post your results. Game will talk EG.
Cheers, Les.
Later.
See you tonight, mate. I'll be on tonight.
All right. Catch
See you
us
later,
later.
my friend. See you in a bit.
That is tanking that. Look at it. It's gone that. Okay.